Hi and welcome guys. I was recently asked if Mixamo still exists, and the answer is yes, it does. Here you can see the website where you can assemble 3D characters with animations, and in this video I will show you how to download and import them into Unreal Engine 4. First you select your character like this mutant here, and then you go ahead and choose which animation you would like to use for him. I'm choosing an idle animation for this demo, and after that I download the character by pressing the download button. Yeah, this one looks pretty cool. I think I will stick to this. After pressing download, you can select the format. The options are FBX, FBX for Unity, and Collada. For Unreal Engine I'm using the FBX format and I want to download the character with the skin, and the rest of the options I keep as they are and press download. Okay, here's my downloaded file. I renamed this to mutant_idle.fbx, and then I open my Unreal Engine 4.18 project that I already used for importing the pillar model that I created. And now I'm also dragging the FBX into the models folder, and the FBX import dialog will pop up. Here are two important options that you have to check, and this is import animations and import materials. Alright, now you can press import and all the resources we need are imported to the project, like the skeletal mesh with animations, the textures and the material. And when you open up the material here in the material editor, you can see that the textures, the normal map and the diffuse map are already assigned to the appropriate slots. And when I drag the character with the idle animation into the scene, now everything is set up automatically. So importing the Mixamo characters is a very easy task. Now you can go ahead and use them as enemies or players, create the needed blueprints, blend spaces, whatever is required for your game. So if you have any questions about this topic, feel free to add them to the comments. And if you like this short tip, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching this and thanks for supporting me, and come back soon to JNM.